I started crypto trading in 2023, and by 2025, I reached financial freedom. And I started this YouTube channel to show financial freedom is not just for the rich or lucky, it's for those who truly want it. What's up guys, this is your guy JC. Let's get straight to the point. In the last video, I clearly laid out 3 scenarios and I told you the move would happen inside one of those 3 scenarios. And I explained how to respond to each one. And let's quickly rewind and take a look at what I said. But this 98K low that followed, that's the real local bottom. It's not just another psychological level. It's where panic peaked and the weekends gave up. That's why I believe 98K won't break easily anytime soon. So scenario 1, a breakout above the channel top followed by a retest. So it makes 1 high, 2 highs, goes back up, break above the channel, retest the channel top. This is your entry. Stop loss when it comes back inside the channel again. Wait for confirmed close candle if you can handle it. Scenario 2, Bitcoin consolidates a bit more and pulls back to the upper edge of the box zone. Your long entry here, or you can combine both scenario 1 and 2, enter half is scenario 2, the rest is scenario 1. And lastly, but very unlikely, scenario 3, Bitcoin fails to break out, fall the lower boundary of the channel. Most would call this a disaster, but not us. Me and my subscribers, we seek opportunities in any circumstances. Alright, now let's pull up the current Bitcoin 4-hour chart. What's happening right now? So this right here, this is when I posted the last video, and since then, it moved exactly like scenario 2. So consolidating before breaking out, and now it's heading into scenario 1, trying to break above the channel and retest. Now I even told you, enter half during scenario 1, so half here, and the other half in scenario 1, half here, which would have been a perfect setup. And do you know how many views that banger of a video got? Well, that's right, 35 views. Even though I laid out pure gold insights, barely anyone paid attention. But you, the ones watching this right now, and the ones who subscribed, you're different. And in this market, we can survive by doing the exact opposite of what the crowd does. So if you're subscribed and watched my videos, you're ahead of the crowd, absorbing insights before the masses even know who the hell I am. That's worth some serious credit. Now, let's recap each scenario real quick. So scenario 1, break above the channel, then buy on the retest. Scenario 2, before breaking out, Bitcoin consolidates, so price moves sideways for a bit, enter half near the top of the box, and once Bitcoin breaks out the channel and retests, buy the other half, just like scenario 1. Scenario 3, less likely, if Bitcoin fails to break out above the channel, but instead price pulls back and drops below the lower boundary of the channel, we enter aggressively on that wick. And scenario 3, this was actually the scenario that I wanted the most. Why? Because I said it then too, if this happens, so if scenario 3 happens, everybody will be in panic, except for me and my subscribers. We're always ready for that kind of drop. And we will turn that into the biggest opportunity to grow our wealth. The bottom line is, scenario 2 played out first, and we bought at the top of the box range. Now, the price broke above the top of the channel and completed a short-term retest. So scenario 1 took place. And if you enter in the first box range like me, so around here, congrats. But if you missed it, what should you do now? By now, honestly, I think you should be able to figure that out for yourself. But I know some of you can be still struggling, and let me walk you through it as well. Just because Bitcoin is twitching a bit doesn't mean you FOMO in any random spot. You're a subscriber of a top trader. You should only enter at the best possible level. If you miss the entry at this box range high, so around here, and also the first retest, your next best shot is at the next retest zone at the top of the channel. So price broke out the channel and it looks like it's going to try a new all-time high. So you just enter and wait. That's what most retail traders do. And market makers exploit this over and over again. Trading is not about buying just because it feels cheap. You need a solid damn reason for entry and a crystal clear stop loss level. For example, this is the Bitcoin daily chart. If you buy the retest and price falls back inside the channel and confirmed, you just cut it quickly. The loss is tiny, but the reward potential is massive. Even if we drop back into the channel and take a minor loss, just be patient and wait for the next setup. We'll recover easily. And what if the price just takes off without any retest? So something like this. In that case, I'll skip the swing entries and just take small tactical scalps here and there. Once a proper retest zone shows up or a clean swing setup appears, I will load up again with bigger size. Patience is the key. And if you stay subscribed to my channel, I will guide you through it. Do not forget to subscribe and support me early. I promise to keep dropping elite level insights just for my subscribers. Now let me make a big announcement. I finally opened my Telegram channel. I actually created it a while ago but held off. But now it's live. Whether one person joins or 5, it doesn't matter. I will be sharing my real-time views, live entry zones, and market updates in there. It is 100% free, so don't even think twice. Just join. And I guarantee you will get higher quality analysis than all the paid groups or overpriced signal channels you've seen. Elite level trading, raw and unfiltered. Links are in the comments. See you all inside Telegram.